I'm Ruby.
And I'm Alyssa, and today we'll be talking about hand sanitizer. We'll talk about how to use it, when to use it, what type to use, and how to make your very own hand sanitizer.
Hand sanitizer, while effective at killing some types of germs and stopping the spread of illness, is second to hand washing, which you should always try to do first.
Usually, you'll use hand sanitizer before visiting a hospital, and many stores and businesses have it located somewhere in the store.
Alyssa, it looks like a viewer is calling in.
What type of hand sanitizer should I use?
You want a hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol, and it comes in many different scents and colors which you can choose from.
How do I use hand sanitizer, Alyssa?
Well, to use hand sanitizer, you need to put on enough of it to cover both of your hands completely and then rub it in until it is dry.
Thanks. Now you can learn how to make your own hand sanitizer. It is super easy and you can make it have any scent you want.
Here's what you're gonna need: aloe vera gel, germ destroyer, a reusable silicone tube, a spoon, 1/4 cup, and a bowl. Measure out 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel and 20 drops of germ destroyer. In the bowl, combine both ingredients with your spoon. Now carefully add your mixture to the tube. Use your spoon and take a little bit at a time and feed it into the center. After you secure the lid, you have your very own hand sanitizer.
Today, we discussed hand sanitizer, and that included how to use it, when to use it, and how to make it.
Okay, that's all for this video. We got all of our information from CDC and have included helpful resources from them in our video description, along with an information packet and the hand sanitizer recipe used in this video. Also, there's a small, quick feedback survey that we ask you to fill out for us. Thanks for watching.
Bye!
Bye!